Hello, welcome to Aradhana Fashion. This is Dheeraj here. We are again with our new and fresh video, and in this video we are going to show you some latest and the awesome design. Without delay, just have a view on this sari. It's the sari, fabric is American crepe, and just look at the border of these sarees. You will be get the work of the lace, and it's the our whole view of this sari. Just have a look and have a view on this sari. It's the whole view. You will be get the multicolor work on this sari and the whole view of the sari. If you want to purchase it, then just message us on WhatsApp. And the fabric is also good for the blouse piece also. The rate is only on just 850. If you want to purchase it, then just message on WhatsApp number. We will provide you below the description link. And our second one, this is our next sample. I have a view on the sari. It's our another sample of today's video from today's collection, and the fabric is already very soft, very light fabric. If you want to purchase it, then also message us for this sari also, and the price is only just 210. What a cheapest price for this sari. So just message us for this sari. There you will be get the work of the flower or at the border, and it's at our top of the sari. You can look from here. It's the sari, our whole sari view, and it's the our blouse. Okay, this one is our blouse piece, and if you want to purchase it, then just message us. The rate is only just 210, and it's our next sample of today's video, today's collection. Just have a look on the sari. The fabric of this sari is soft georgette, and at the border you will get the work of the satin lace and the work of the stone, total embroidery work, mirror work. It's our sari. If you want to purchase it, then just message us, and the price is only 1100. This sari price 1100. And if you will discuss about the color availability, then don't message us for color, just because I am saying to you the color is only one single color you can get from here of this design. It's the whole view of the sari, and it's the our blouse view. Have a look on the blouse view. You will be get the work of the small stones at the sleeve of blouse, and the price is only 1100, as I am repeating to you again. And this one is our another sample of today's video from today's collection. We are going to show you. Just have a look on the, and the fabric is silky, and if you have a view on the border, here you will be get the small tassels, and at the border there is no more work, but you will get it as simple as it looking. But the whole view you can get from now. It's the looking very nice gorgeous sari, and the fabric is very light, very silky fabric. The price is only just 540. If you want to purchase it, then message us on the given WhatsApp number. This is the view of blouse of this sari. Okay, this is the view of our blouse. The price is only just 540, as per I am saying. It's the our today's collection for the bandhas we are giving to you, we are providing to you from this video. You can just have a look on the video. The price of these bandhas is only 860, and you can have a view on our design. You will get the small Jaipuri taste work at the border of the sari, bottom and the top also, and it's the whole view of this sari. And as I am saying, the price is only 860. You can get this one. There is no any color availability for this sari, and if you want to purchase it, then message us. This is our view of blouse of the sari, and you will get this design on the sleeves. Okay, as I am saying again, the price is only 860, and the design name is Bandhas Bandhni. It's our another design of today's collection. Just have a view on the sari. It's looking totally very lightweight. The fabric is as per showing you silk. You will get the cutting design at the border, at the top and at the corner of this sari, and you will be get also the small work of the flower, totally threading work, and you will be get the very small and the teeny work of the mirrors on the whole of the sari. And here you will get some work. This one is our work, totally embroidery work and the flower stone. And you will be get also the half and half concept on this sari. Just have you half and half. Okay, and it will be some fabric is looking like netty fabric you can get from here. It's the whole view of the sari. Price is only 850. Very cheapest price for this sari. It's the view of your blouse. You will be get also the work, thread work on the sari. Okay, just have view. This is our total sari view. Our another design of today's collection, looking very nice, very gorgeous sari, and the fabric is as per you are seeing here from, it's velvet, and the price is only 1250, as we are giving you a tag also for no question no answer for the price, just you will get it from 1250. It's the whole view of the sari, looking very nice, pretty color, pretty collection, and the work of the border, it's looking very cutting type, nice. Okay, and in this sari you can get also half and half concept, and just have a view of this design. What a looking awesome look of this sari. You will get totally thread work with the work of the small and teeny mirrors. It's the whole view. Half and half you can get from here fabric velvet, and here it's a net fabric. Okay, and it's the view of our blouse piece of this sari. It's the view of sleeves. It's the work of sleeve for this sari. It's the total view of this sari. Okay, so if you want to purchase it, then message us. The rate is only 1250 as per as I am saying to you. It's our another design of today's collection. We are going to see you. Just have a view on this sari. It's looking very nice, very gorgeous color. If you are going to attend any kind of marriage party, wedding season, then it's the most preferable for you. Okay, it's the totally heavy work and of the border. You will be get the work of the stones of the small mirror, and totally the cutting work also of the flower at the border, at the corner, and at the bottom of the sari. You will be get the nice work collection on the whole of the view of the sari. Just have a look, looking very good, very pretty collection. Okay, it's the our sari view. You want to purchase it, then just message us. And in this design we have no any other color option. Okay, but you can get another design from it. It's the view of sari, and here blouse, and it's the view of the blouse. You will be get the design of the blouse pieces. This one our another design of today's video of today's collection. Just have a view. What a nice view, what a gorgeous and what a pretty look of this sari. Just have a look. It's looking very nice, and the color is also looking very blooming color. It's the work at the border. Okay, at the border you will get the work of the stone. You will be get the work. Fabric is silky fabric, and the price is only just 1400. But as per the sari fabric and the sari work, it don't deserve the rate of the 1400, but we are providing to you at the rate of 1400. You will also get here half and half concept from the combination of mustard yellow and red color. Here is what a nice design work, what a nice collection, what a nice threading work, what a totally you will be get nice collection at the rate of only 1400. If you will be go to purchase any kind of professional showroom and any kind of professional shop, then you have to pay it up to 2500 to 3000 rupees for this single sari. It's the work of the blouse, is the work of the sleeves of the blouse. Very nice and very gorgeous collection of the today's video. Just have a view. If you want to purchase it, then message us on the given WhatsApp number. It's our another sample, another collection of today's video. The fabric is just soft net, and just have a look at the border of the sari. You will be get the work and the combination of mirror, red color of the mirror, and you will be get this kind of design at the whole view of the sari. And the price is just 860. Very cheapest price. We are providing you the good collection, the awesome varieties of the sari at the cheapest rate. We are providing to you from today's collection, and the price is just 860 as per as I am saying to you, as per as I am preferring to you. And you will get here some plain design work also in this sari, and it's the view of the sari sari's blouse, and it's the work of the sleeve, the view of the sleeve of this sari of today's collection. Our another design of today's video. This one, just have a look. What a nice, what a beautiful, gorgeous look of the sari, and the fabric is Georgette 21 399, and just have a view at the border. At the border you will be get as less work, and at the corner of this sari, at the pallu, you will have a view of the work of tassels, and you will be get also the work of the patchy work. It's looking very nice. You will get also half and half concept on this sari. Double color you will be get also from this sari. It's our collection, and just have a view at the border, at the bottom. What a nice look, what a very beautiful collection. And as I am saying, the price is only one. It's the view of our blouse. Here the work of the sleeves of the blouse, velvet blue color, and the price is only one 399. In 399 we are providing you this sari. Nice collection of this sari. And it's our another sample. Just have a look. Wow, what a nice sari, and what a gorgeous look of the sari. Here you will be get some of the velvet work. The fabric will be some of the velvet, and it's the whole view of the sari. Just have a look at the bottom, and at the top of the border you will be get the work of small mirrors, tiny mirrors of the form of the combination of black and silver color of the mirrors, and the work is totally Swarovski work. You will be get from here. The fabric is also very good, too good. If you want to purchase, then just WhatsApp us, just message, and the price is only 500. In 500 you will be getting the work of the Swarovski. What a nice collection, and we are providing you as a very nice margin on this sari. And it's the view of our blouse, and at the bottom it's our sleeve. It's your sleeve of this sari. So in 500 you are getting a nice, and what a nice gorgeous collection. Okay, this one is our another sample. In this video we are providing you nice collection at the cheapest price, totally cheapest price we are providing you from today's collection, from today's video. It's our another sample, another nice good sari. What a nice beautiful color. The color is too good, awesome good of the color. It's the whole view of the sari. Just look, fabric is also very nice, too good. Here you will be get the work of the natural scene, like here are some house trees, weather combination. Okay, you will be get the totally natural look work at the border, at the bottom of this sari, and the price is only one. And it's the view of blouse, and it's the sleeve of blouse. This will be the sleeve of your blouse, and the price is only 700. In the price of 700 you are getting this kind of awesome sari, awesome collection.